Hi, it's Brittany Drozd, and I help entrepreneurs make more money and find fulfillment in the process. I figured it was the perfect opportunity to make a video because it has been rainy and dreary today, and we are in the midst of this coronavirus nightmare, and out of nowhere, the clouds have parted and the sunshine is just pouring in from all directions in my office. This could only mean one thing: that I'm here to shed some light on what is going on and see how you can help prepare your business amongst this pandemic that we're facing. So I'm not going to get into some of the health stuff that's going on, but I wanted to address how, as a business owner, you can combat this virus and this pandemic and have a great outcome for your business. So first and foremost, we need to be concerned with people's safety. That is our customers, our employees, ourselves. Without us, there is no business. So taking that into consideration, let's dive into what are the things that you can do to create create more value for people in this crazy time. So a lot of people are figuring out how to adjust our work to create that social distancing that is supposed to help in the pandemic. Can you work remotely? So I've had a lot of my work switch to remote in the last few days. And although I love being in person with people, I totally get it. And I'm happy to provide this service via video, via Zoom. So is that something you can do? Let's say if you're a restaurant, can you waive a delivery fee to encourage people to still buy from you, but maybe not come in, or if they don't feel comfortable coming in and having a meal, maybe you could make that more accessible for them. If you do offer a service or a product that you're not able to make those kind of transitions, how is it that you could continue providing value to your customers and to your tribe in all of this, in this time where you're not able to maybe have direct contact with your customer? How can you show up as and be seen as an expert in your space during the time where we're all at home and maybe consuming more content because we're not at work? How can you create something valuable that's relevant right now that makes customers think about you and your business and your products? So I believe in the power of coaching through modeling, right? And right now I'm doing this very thing that I'm suggesting for you, right? I'm showing up in a way that's socially safe given the circumstances right now, and hoping to provide some value to you guys, entrepreneurs, business owners who are struggling to make sure that you're going to keep the lights on, that this pandemic is not going to shut down your business. So some key takeaways are: what can you adjust to stay in contact with your customers? Is it possible for you? And get really creative here. Ask your employees to throw out some wild ideas. You never know what's going to come up. And if it's not possible for you, is there a new offering that makes sense for you guys during this time? Or can you just stay in contact? Can you deliver value via email, or maybe a coupon for customers after this, social distancing phase of the virus passes? What can you do to stay top of mind, to let customers know you care and you're concerned about the greater good of everyone, and you're not showing up selfishly and just concerned about your business, but you care about them too? So I hope that this message has delivered some value for you guys, and that you are now thinking about, how can I continue to serve my people during this time? Please take care of yourselves. I hope everybody is staying healthy out there and not going crazy in this time where we are spending less time with people and more times on our devices. So stay present, stay mindful, and stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great week.